How to install an application on Ubuntu. Hi everyone, welcome to the Linux workspace, and in today's video, we talk about the steps to install an application on your Ubuntu system using the terminal. This is probably the easiest thing you will learn on Linux because it's just something that you have to get used to. And trust me, you're going to use it way too often. Now, before we get into installing the applications, let's understand what we are going to do and how we are going to do it and what tool we are going to use. To install an application from the terminal, number one, we need the terminal. Number two, we need the apt tool, which is the advanced packaging tool. Now, what apt or apt package manager does is that it allows you to install applications from the Ubuntu repositories. Repositories are just databases of packages that Ubuntu has compiled for its system and for its users to directly install on their system. Now, let's get right into it and install the Golang package for this demonstration. You go ahead to the Applications menu or on the Unity left sidebar and just open up the terminal. That's all we want to do. The first thing is open up the terminal. Once you open up the terminal, you should see a screen similar to this with this block thing on the left. Start typing in sudo apt install followed by the package name. Now in this case, since I'm going to install the Golang package, we will go ahead and type in Golang and hit enter. Now it asks me for my password because I have used the sudo command. So I'll just enter the password. Now if you see, it tells me what packages it's going to install apart from the one that I have asked it for. Why does it do that? It does it because there are certain dependencies for every package, which the apt package managing tool resolves by itself. If we were doing it without the apt package manager, we would have to manually go ahead and figure out the dependencies and install them all by ourselves. So that is where the apt tool makes it easy for us. Now I'm just going to hit enter where it asks me if I want to continue or not. I just hit enter and it starts working. All we have to do now is just wait for it to finish. Alright, we're back again and we're done with the downloading part of it. Now it's going to install the package here and we'll just wait for it to complete the package installation. Alright, so we are back and we're done with the installation of the Golang package. Now if you remember, all we did was typed in sudo apt install and the name of the package. That's it, and we were down to the package. The installation was done, the dependencies were taken care of, and all we had to do is just wait for it to do its work. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you have loved this video, so don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. Yeah, really, just go ahead and press those buttons. That really helps me out. Also, do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. And thanks a lot for watching once again. I'll see you in the next tutorial video.